Right, this is the bush that I intend on using a farm jack to remove. It's a no-dig method, and it should make it come out really easy. Now, the reason I'm removing it is it's too close to the house, and it has caused a problem here for this window. So what we're going to do is we're just going to remove it, and we're going to show you how easy it is to do. Now this right here, this is called a farm jack, and we're going to use this to pull that stubborn bush out of the ground without digging it up. And I got to tell you, it is really heavy, folks. It weighs 50, 60 pounds easily. And it's got to be heavy duty because of the kind of work that it does. Now you may need a little help, putting it in position because of the weight, but I got to tell you, there's no better tool than this for pulling out stubborn bushes. Folks, let's just dive right into it. Now this is what I'm going to use to help me hoist that stubborn bush out of the ground. It's a nylon rope. It's heavy duty, folks, and it's got shackles on both ends of the rope. Now what I'll do is I'm going to wrap the rope tightly around the base of the bush, attach it to our farm jack, and then I'm just going to crank it and hoist it right on out. Okay folks, now I want to tell you, it's going to help a great deal since the ground is soft to have a board for the jack to sit on so it's not sinking into the ground as you crank it out. Folks, it couldn't be any easier than that. You may need a pair of loppers like these right here to disconnect the root ball from the ground a little bit, because we got something that's, it's holding us back a little bit. So let me just make those cuts. This is Leah saying, you can do this. See you next time. So I try to make my videos very easy to understand, none of that trades jargon. Even though I'm in the trades, folks, I try to talk to homeowners and people that like doing their own DIY. Now here's the thing, sometimes folks want to actually talk to somebody about a project they're working on, and so what I do is I meet with my community once a month, and we talk neighbor to neighbor about the problems that you may be encountering. So if that's something that you want to take advantage of, I'll place a link in the description below so you can check that out for yourself.